Border villages in Meghalaya, including Tumtum, Mintang, Tiwi, Peden Lapaten, Katkasla, Psiar, Moluber, and Mujampalun, have protested the proposed transfer from the 13th Sapai to the Barato Mukro constituency. Leaders from these villages representing 2,000 voters argue that the transfer undermines their strategic location and unity. They have warned of a potential boycott of the upcoming FDC election if their concerns are ignored. Similarly, Umdenlin village has opposed its move to the Mokayao constituency, citing geographic disconnect and urging a reconsideration. These protests follow the JHADC's recent bill to create 29 district council constituency, fueling local discontent.
Haganik lupi ojibon siam bijing reports before kendo bijing kat amte negaliang ini percaya ini wa umye man kamni umye ikam job ni hagi ni naik ke diap wa ada pemik itu draft kunengkong ini monjori tangwa kini delimitation committee yang ka jantia le sop ki ketika kam i bumchai i womani kam job kedem ye ki le agatu draft kunengkong le umani agatu constituency khatle spai teto nagalian
Bethany Hospital Outreach Nongpo celebrated